Hello everyone, my name is Viola, and today we have a very important and helpful video for new moms. We'll be discussing how to express breast milk effectively and comfortably using a breast pump. Here you can see the main unit of the breast pump that we'll be using. It also comes with a protective cap that keeps the flange clean and free from dust, a crucial detail for maintaining hygiene. And of course, there's the milk collection bottle where your baby's precious nourishment will be stored. Now, let's move on to the process of expressing milk. Gently uncover one breast and place the flange over your areola, making sure your nipple is centered for maximum comfort and efficiency. Next, start pressing the handle of the pump according to how you feel and the rhythm you prefer. You'll notice the milk gradually flowing into the bottle. It's important to listen to your body. If the pace feels too fast or too slow, you can easily adjust the pressure and frequency of your pumping. As you can see, I was able to express some milk using this pump. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you found this video helpful. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next tutorials. Bye-bye.